In this video, we're going to show you how to remove and replace your front blower motor on a Toyota Sienna, located on the passenger side under the dash. So once you're down on the passenger floor, you can see the actual blow motor. It's right out in the open, and it has 3 mounting screws, 1, 2, and 3 right here. And here's the electrical connector with 3 wires going into it and a little tab. So we're going to take that tab, push it in with our thumb, and pull down on the connector. Just keep rocking it back and forth. It'll come undone. Set it aside. And now this is a flathead, 8mm, or a T25 Torx bit. So we're going to get our Torx bit and take the screws out. With one hand, guide it down and out. So now we can grab the new blow motor with the wheel attached to it, bring it up, guide it right into the spot. I'm going to take my first screw and I'm going to install it. Start it by hand a little bit, at least it catches the plastic. Then I'll take my T25 Torx and tighten it up. Now, I can do the same to the other two. And then the last one. Once those 3 are snug, I'll take my connector and reconnect it. Hear it click, it's locked in. When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.